up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, it is a pretty nice day in Colorado. We finally got something that we're actually going to do today. So we're going to go on a nice little drive. Sorry, it is a little bit windy. So we're going to go on a little drive with some people from the CDCC. Might as well start plugging their logo in the videos. So it's the Colorado Dodge Charger Club. You got a Charger, you know, fast Jeep, stuff like that. Pretty much anything Mopar at this point, I think, is pretty much good to go for the club. Pretty awesome organization. They do a lot of stuff around here. So got the stickers on. We do got to go run through like a little touchless car wash to get some of this pollen dust off. And as you see, we got a GoPro mount, so we can get some footage of people behind me. Hopefully they're not all in Hellcats, because they'll be in front of me. And then we're going to be mounting this GoPro for the front view, so y'all don't have to stare at my beautiful long hair fucking face the entire time. So we're leaving here in like 15-ish minutes, meeting up at Travis's house. Ooh, oh, there it is. Got another tether. I didn't know if I was going to put this on the outside. I may put it on the outside on the hood, just to get some good hood footage. That would be pretty cool. But we will have to, you know, strap her down. So, because we don't want to lose this GoPro. This is the expensive one. The other GoPro, unfortunately, broke. So, we got to go get some reasonably priced GoPro stuff. We're going to bring that handle. Here's the tripod. Here's a little GoPro right there. Got pretty much all the supplies we need. But, inside's pretty clean. And we're going to hang out with a World War II veteran that just turned 100. So it's about 30-40 minutes away. Unfortunately, Tasha can't go because the Army's still on a 30-mile restriction, which is stupid and sucks. So yeah, we are going to bring this other tether just to get it in the car now so we don't forget. So we're going to get a couple more things together, and then we are going to head out. I'm going to check tire pressure too, just to make sure everything's, you know, reasonably the same. But yeah, we'll see you guys. The next thing y'all see actually will be probably some hood footage and some footage from the back of the car, seeing all the stuff we're doing. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So we are at the spot. Got all kind of people rolling in here, and we got everything from the CDCC crew right here. We got regular cars, Jeeps, trucks. Got this Bel Air over here, it's super sick. Big ass Jeep. Camaro, more Jeeps. Here we go. I dig it. Awesome. So, they all thought I have a great birthday. Dang, look at them all. They're still rolling in. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the hood footage, because I don't know how it's gonna come out. It was pretty bouncy the whole time. But I tell you what, man, Travis's car is effing loud for sure. That thing sounds so sick. Got a bunch more Jeeps. Dang, man. Man, there's just a couple people here, huh? This parking lot's getting smaller by the second.
Yeah, I wish people would park. Get a little more room.
What kind of car is this, man?
I don't know.
Y'all got like nuclear weapons coming out the back of this thing, or what, man?
Why not?
Dude, this thing is fucking loud. Like, it sounds incredible. Like, that's why I got up there. I was like, man, I hear him going up there. I want to hear that thing closer.
Yeah, long tube headers, catless mids, nothing from that way back.
But okay.
I got an X pipe just to create a little bit of back.
I'd say, because I mean, it pretty much comes with an X pipe from the factory door.
Well, I ripped that one out and put a better one in.
You don't think they're that good?
I kept splitting. Oh fuck no! The factory X pipes suck.
Really?
My headers kept splitting the welds, and it was costing me $300 to repel the welds.
This is getting too hot.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the only thing.
Too much pressure going from the 3-inch collector into that X pipe. So
I could see that because it really is just like clamped and shit, like
so
really
we
bad.
cut it out and we welded a new one in.
Okay. That's a jack. They go wherever they want that thing, man. Dang.
I guess they could shed this.
Yeah, it was a little bit. It was. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Got the off-road news van, people. I dig it, man. That's my style right there. They didn't even dig up the rocks.
We're rolling out of
That's
here.
That's funny.
Oh, it's Pueblo. Now get your guys.
So we didn't see this one the last time. I dig the little old school look with the grill. On a black car, it looks really good. I'll tell you what, this thing, y'all saw it on the highway, man. This thing is freaking loud, man. Long tubes, custom X pipe. Ridiculous. We're fixing to roll out here pretty quick. I don't know where I'm gonna stick the GoPro, but we are gonna have the one on the back for sure, and then we'll probably just put this one on the sunroof for now. I'm gonna go pee really bad, but yep, we're here. We're about to do like a crazy ass like birthday parade for this guy. just stopped here for a minute. Nice little backdrop. We're taking some pictures and stuff, but that's what we got to deal with. The other GoPro died, so you know, it is what it is. I got to do what I got to do, but gonna let them cars run, let that coolant circulate, man. Getting kind of warm out here. Yeah, I don't know if 226 degrees is good for oil temperature, but we'll just send it. Just gonna send her. So you got some people taking some pictures. Here's our lineup right there. We got the, I think everybody here has an RT or RT Scat Pack. I'll walk down the lineup here. We got Sublime Green, Challenger RT. Got the other RT. I don't know what color that is. We got the Go Green, Green Go. We got the RT Scat Pack Shaker. Got a regular RT, I believe. Yep, it is a RT. And we got the older, I don't know, they might be SXT. We got the Charger Scat Pack. Shit. Got the Chrysler 300 out here even. Got the blue. Yep, we got the blue 392. We got the Dart. Dang. So I'm glad somebody's getting some pictures. Hope y'all are enjoying the video so far, because it has been a wonderfully fun day. There's only 2 of us out here that are manual shift cars. One of them's the Shaker 392. But yeah, pretty awesome day so far. Enjoying it. Nice to get out during all this insanity. They're not 6 feet apart. It's on video. So we got proof. But we're sure as hell 6 feet from everybody else. So, pretty awesome day. Whenever we get back, we get back. Can't wait for this shit to be over so we can have some really big car stuff going on. And, you know, bring all the cars. Shipbox, yeah, some stuff still to get worked on, but other than maybe some more time-lapse footage of the drive back, I think we're pretty much going to end off the video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know my hair is like insane. Like, share, subscribe, hit the buttons, hit the notifications, and there is going to be a lot more to come because we're going out again with the Challenger next weekend. So we're just going to go for a little cruise through some mountain type stuff. Hopefully be able to hit some twisties and turnies, and we'll see you guys next time.